Hello guys, welcome to Accra Travel Vlogs here on AduKash Official. And this particular area, I describe it as a heartwarming edifice, It is very beautiful, very spectacular, and very, very heartwarming, okay? I always say that when this facility or this road project right at the flower pot here at Spintex is commissioned, it is going to help facilitate movement from and including cantonments, Bema Camp, Michelle Camp, East Legon, and Shiashie, okay? And even on the Tema motorway, it will enhance motorists and will increase free flow of traffic within this particular area. This project is a unique one. It is a heartwarming one, When I got in here, I was very fascinated. I was really moved, okay, especially with the art designs which are beautifying the area and the project as well. So this is a flyover here at the flower pot area, very close to the Palace Mall at the Spintex Road here in Accra, Ghana. And as I said in my earlier video, I dare to say once again that this particular edifice is the greatest and the beautiful edifice or overpass in the West African sub-region, okay? It is very beautiful, like we have so many interchanges in the country, but trust me, when you see this one, you can see the difference. The difference is really large, and definitely, as I always say in my video, you have to be here to verify or to testify for yourself what I mean by what I'm saying, okay? The building, the artwork, the designs, everything in here is really calculated, and trust me, I love it. It's so beautiful to be here, to find yourself in here looks like you are in heaven already. All right, everything is really calculated already. It's calculated. Check the designs as you are seeing in the video. Check for yourself. Very amazing, very beautiful, very, very artistic as well. The project basically is about 85 to 90% completed. It is 85 to 90% completed, and I really, 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 really love it. I love it already. The whole edifice includes a new road through the old tunnel at the East Legon, so the underbridge from Spintex that link you to East Legon. The construction of this particular place is also include like expanding from this side through the tunnel at the East Legon stretch to ease traffic. And that area, traffic always is piled up within that area. So when this project is completed, it's gonna ease traffic along the underpass to the East Legon stretch and Shiashie stretch at this particular area in Accra. The construction of the flyover is really incredible. Addo has really shown us that indeed, even if he's signing out and everybody is complaining that he hasn't done anything, he have this as a monument in his name, okay? So I am taking you to the end of the flyover. I'm actually going to let you explore more of this area, okay? So I would want you to keep watching, keep your comments coming in as well. Let me know what you think, particularly with regards to what you are seeing in the video. Let me know what you think, okay? And please subscribe to the channel as well. Kindly subscribe to the channel. Let your comment come in and like the video as well, okay? Share so that people or others who are interested in this kind of video will have to see what is going on in here in Ghana. Let's help promote the country. This is very unique, and we have to let people know that hey, this is what is happening here. so that other people from other places can also emulate. Okay, so let's keep the momentum, keep watching as I take you through the other parts of the interchange as well. All right, so thank you for being part of this journey. Thank you, and keep watching, guys.
Any